Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor, 3 cup, 350 watts, for dicing, mincing, and puree, black, 72850. Simply stack and press to chop. The patented stack and press design makes it easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. Perfect size for everyday use. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. Easily chop, puree and emulsify with stainless steel blades. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots, and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips and sauces. Easy to clean. The bowl, lid and removable blades of the Hamilton Beach Chopper are all dishwasher safe. Power through tough ingredients. This small food chopper has a 350-watt motor to provide all the power you need to prepare all types of food including onions, nuts, herbs, hummus, dressings, and homemade baby food. Thanks for watching and subscribe.